Hello friends, good afternoon all. Welcome back to another video friends. In this video I'm going to give you a very good news. I have got a very good news for you guys because I'm going to resume my video uploading on this channel. So as you know that I used to uploading videos on DSL spoken English book, but I had to stop uploading videos on DSL spoken English book because my house construction work was being done. As you can see my backside, which is totally new room guys, so my house construction work was being done that time, so that's why I couldn't make videos on DSL spoken English book. But I have decided to resume my video uploading on this channel, taking notes from DSL spoken English book. Okay, so from today I'll be uploading videos on DSL spoken English book. So do subscribe this channel and do subscribe this channel because I'm going to bring more spoken English related book and I'm going to review them on this channel. So if you want to see the best book of spoken English, then do subscribe this channel. Okay, and guys, there are a lot of friends and there are a lot of students who are used to asking, sir, what sort of books we need to read to improve spoken English. I would like to recommend them that if you want to improve your spoken English by reading only one or two book, then it cannot be possible. Only one or two book cannot be really helpful for you to get good command towards spoken and written English. You have to read minimum 4 or 5 books to improve your spoken and written English, guys. Believe me guys, you have to read minimum 4 or 5 books. If you have zero knowledge of English grammar, then you have to read essential English grammar. Then you can read Become English Champion, EnglishValley.com spoken English book, whatever you like. So, and the third topic is practicing. You have to practice a lot. You might be saying that only practicing cannot be a great key to get good command towards spoken and written, but I have to say that no, only practicing can make you perfect. Okay, so you have to practice a lot. You might know tenses, grammar, you might know modals, you might know relative pronoun, you might know active voice, passive voice, but if you are not practicing, how you can expect that your spoken English would be up to the mark? No, you have to practice. And the last topic that I'm going to discuss in this video is reading. You have to build up your reading habit. If you read a lot, then you will be able to understand how to make sentences, how to use words in different contexts. So these are the benefits that you will get if you read and if you practice. So guys, do practice and do read books. And there are a lot of books available on internet, on Google. If you don't like to purchase books going to market, or if you don't like to purchase books from Amazon or Flipkart, then you can read PDFs. I prefer reading books by going to market, buying from online. So I prefer paperback instead of reading a PDF. So that's the reason I buy books and I prefer reading. So do read guys and do practice guys. So these will definitely help you to improve your spoken and written English, guys. So do subscribe this channel because I'm going to bring more spoken English related books on this channel, guys. And from today I'll be uploading videos taking notes from DSL spoken English book, guys. Thank you. Signing out, guys. Bye bye.